Hello guys, my name is Dennis and today we're gonna unboxing a few GoPro accessories. Just a few of them. We're gonna start from head strap and quick clip. It's this one. Like that. Other side from here. Okay, let's open that. Okay, we have this thing. Some clipper. I don't know. And we have in the box that head strap, or else we have in the box that screw, and what else do we have in the box? And we have nothing more in the box. One stuff. Then it's a GoPro battery. This it looks like that. This side from here, and from over here. Okay, let's open that. What we have here, this big box and that kind of small battery here inside of this big box. That's it, nothing else, just that GoPro battery. Like this. Okay, and the next we're gonna unbox shorty mini extension pole plus tripod extension. Looks like this. Okay. Looks like this. From this side, from the back, from the other side. Okay, let's open this. I forgot to take the knives, but it's okay. And here we go. That's the pole. And it's so light. Like this. This one you can unscrew. They put some GoPro here. Or whatever, the GoPro Max, GoPro Hero. You can open it like this, and it's gonna be the tripod, like that. And it's also you can extend it a little bit. So you're gonna wear that stuff. Oh, all right. Finish here. And the last thing that I want to unbox is the memory card that GoPro sent me. Actually, I'm not going to unbox that. But you can see here it's 32 GB, whatever the information is. Closer look what I have here. I have this thing, the GoPro, some mount. GoPro one. I have this thing. It's a pole GoPro extension. Also, it's gonna work as a tripod. It's a little bit hard, but and you can extend that thing. And we have here head strap, also GoPro, it's all original GoPro accessories. And for the head strap we have that screw. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Hope to see you again soon. Thank you. Bye.